January 17th, local community emergency responders joined with Joint Base San Antonio Randolph Firefighters for familiarization training on the T-1, T-6, and T-38 aircraft, all aircraft that routinely fly from JBSA Randolph. The training provides valuable knowledge to emergency responders that'll enable them to access a downed aircraft and safely rescue the pilot. The training began inside a classroom. Surrounding community and military emergency responders sat side by side, taking notes, asking questions, and learning the mechanics and systems of each aircraft.
And then once that was completed, we went out to the aircraft and we spent time hands-on showing them how to gain access to the aircraft, how to shut down the aircraft, and then safely take the aircrew member out and away from the aircraft.
Familiarization training covered many important issues on the minds of community responders. One lesson was an eye-opener for a New Braunfels, Texas paramedic.
One of the things that I thought was neat and that I learned today that I didn't know before was that the prop-driven aircraft that we see fly in and out of New Braunfels, that it flies out of Randolph, actually has an ejection system, which I had no idea about. So it was quite interesting to learn.
And one of the Air Force's newest firefighters gave the training he received high marks.
Now I know how to shut down the 3 types of aircraft that are on this base. I know how to chock them if I have to. If they have to be pinned, I can pin them. So in any type of emergency, now I know how to shut it down and make sure it's safe for me to go in and also safe to get the pilots out.
The flying mission at JBSA Randolph belongs to the 12th Flying Training Wing, which is known as the source of America's air power. Wing members are responsible for 4 single-source aviation pipelines: combat systems officer training, pilot instructor training, remotely piloted aircraft pilot, and basic sensor operator training. The wing also hosts the Introduction to Fighter Fundamentals program and conducts electronic warfare training for the U.S. Air Force and multinational forces. From the 502nd Air Base Wing Public Affairs Office, I'm Tony Hurst.